Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Technical Pop, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you that how we buy a football from Aliexpress. So let's start our video. First of all, you have to install the Aliexpress application whether on your mobile phone or on your PC. After that, you have to open the Aliexpress application and search here in the search box. Here see it, I am writing here football. After writing football, you have to search for football, and you see it basically different samples are came in front of you. You can see it. So basically I am going to open this one. You can see it, this one. So here you see it basically, five samples are available in this one. First one in front of you, you can see it, white color with different design. Is another sample. Here you see it, another sample. Here is another sample with different color, and here is also another sample with different color, red, white and black combination. So here see it, 2023 new soccer football footy training ball, size 5 pu, indoor football match ball, outdoor football for men, women. So here see it basically 5.0 stars is given and 286 is already sold. So basically if we talk about the price of this one, then you see it PKR 4565 rupees. If we talk about the original price, and the original price is PKR 10483 rupees, but after 56% off you can buy it only in PKR 4565 rupees. Price shown before tax, PKR 858 off every PKR 5722, max PKR 1717, free shipping. So here sheet basically, three colors are also available, as I already tell you, three colors with different combination. So basically if we talk about the specifications, then you see it, inflatable, no material, pu, origin mainland China. So here you get delivery free shipping from China with Aliexpress selection standard. Estimated delivery 17 days to Pakistan. Service 75-day buyer protection. So here you get basically 4 reviews is given, out of which first one is excellent product, exceeded expectations. Very good, I think it's awesome. Here's you get another sample. So here's you get a view more option. So basically if you want to see more reviews, then you have to click on this view more option. So here's it, a supplier sold by a shop 1102454013 store. So here's it basically, item description is provided. So we can see it here, 2023 new soccer football footy training ball, size 5 pu, indoor football match ball, outdoor football for men, women. Very important, all the balls of this link are machine stitched soccer balls. So about purchase, as you can see it, the quality of our ball is very good. It is fused of soft pu leather, and the liner is rubber bladder, and all soccer balls on this link are thermally bonded soccer balls. So here's it, if you need the ball with pump, please contact our customer service. We will add the price of the pump to the price of the ball and ship them together. So here's it, size reference, size 5 ball, circumference about 69 centimeter, weight 400 to 450 gram, more suitable for adult. We support, here's it, first one is we support customize, contact us for details if you need. Second one is if you are a wholesale or drop shipping, contact us for better price. So here's it basically, samples is given. So you can see it, different samples are given here. You can see it, this yellow color, yellow, red and blue combination. You can see it, different design is given here. Here see it basically, another ball is given here, football. So you can see it, white, red and black combination is also given here. So here see it, basically more to love option is also provided here. You can see it. So basically if you have to buy this football, then you see at the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on this buy now option for buying this football. Thanks for watching this video.